Bye guys, today we got a toy and we don't take it.
What is it, Sweet Pea?
And it is a PJ Masks robot
It's a PJ Masks robot.
and it can turn.
It can turn, can it? What else can it do? Oh. And he's... Oh, he's spinning. Do you want to bring it here so we can see him? Naughty robot. Did he get away from us? Oh, he's coming after Mummy. Quick, move. Look at that. Look, the face lights up. He spins. He moves around. He's talking to you as well, isn't he? Hey, is he talking to you? Oh, he does. He does want to go under the bed, doesn't he? What did you think? Did you like it? Where's he gone? He's gone here. Do you like it? Is it good?
Yeah,
Yes?
I've got another toy.
You got a toy. Yay. Is it fun?
Yeah.
So we're going to be playing with that today. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Okay, we're going to say, woo.
Bye guys.
Thanks for watching.